Hello, this is the demonstration for drawing the simple floor plan. I'm going to show you how to draw this first with the line command. Then I'll demonstrate again with the rectangle command. I'll also show you how to enter architectural units. The first step on the previous page was to enter the units. So type in units, and they are architectural. The second step was to type in limits. You hit the down arrow and choose the lower left corner as 0, 0, and the mouse will say specify upper right corner. And as you can see, I already typed it, but this is how you would do so again. 20 feet, tab, 14 feet, which is the foot mark next to the enter button. Then hit enter. Now the drawing has been reset to a size which is much larger. So if you type in Z enter, all enter, it zooms to the drawing scale. You can kind of see the units down here where my arrow is pointing, where the units are changed from 0 to about 20 feet or larger. I copied the picture here just so that I can see this as I demonstrate. The first method is the line command. Make the A wall layer current. I'm going to use the polyline command this time actually, because I'm going to draw a series of walls. So polyline. I'll pick anywhere I'd like to start. Oh, that's right. We need to take the grid off. We need to have ortho on. And we're going to be entering with dynamic input, which is on. So grid is off. Ortho mode is on. Dynamic input is on. So we're going to go to the right. So I click here, point to the right, and I need to type in 19 foot 4 inches. So with your mouse, you would type in 19 foot mark dash 4 inches. You also could just get rid of the dash and just type in that. Enter. Okay, you can see it's really large, so we'll zoom out, we'll point up, and I can type in 13 feet 4 inches. 13 feet 4, shift, same button on the keyboard, inches. It looks like the length here, I don't know how long this is, so I'll just go all the way across the same length as before, which is 19 feet 4 inches. 19 feet 4 inches. And then to go back where I started, I can just click right there. The command is still active, so hit enter to stop. The rest of the directions are rather simple, but I'll demonstrate a few of them. Offset to create the interior walls would be 8 inches. Select the walls and click inside. Notice how I picked all 4 walls. That's the convenience of using the polyline command. If I use the line command, I would have to use offset 4 times. So there's my offset. Then the rest, you would be drawing lines over 6 feet, over 3 feet, and trimming out the lines there. And you'll follow the directions you see. I'm going to try to draw this as rectangle as well, but before I do, I want to show you the dimensioning, what it should look like when all the settings have been created, as you've already done on the previous page. Okay, my text height is very large, and I'll show you why. In my creating of lessons for you, I was changing the text height as you see here, and I'll put it back to 0. And I'll redimension this again. I believe it'll change. Yeah, that's the true text height. That was controlled by dimension settings in the Fit tab with that scale factor right there, according to the directions of this drawing. And of course, you'll be dimensioning the rest of this. You're going to want to know, how do I snap to these locations here? So I guess I'll give you that demonstration first before I use the rectangle command. You're going to turn on an object snap called nearest. Nearest should be on right here. That'll allow you to pick anywhere on the line specifically. I'll go from here to the other end of the interior wall, and then continue with my dimensioning. Line them up, of course, move dimensions around, and so forth. Using the rectangle command with the same numbers. There's going to be something new you're going to learn here called relative coordinates. Pick rectangle. Pick any point you want to start in and point to the upper right. You're going to type in the relative coordinates of the next 2 points, which happens to be the horizontal and the vertical distance, which is x, comma, y, like you would think in the coordinate system. So you type in the @ symbol to activate it. So shift 2 basically. Now type in your distances. 19 feet 4 inches. Hit the comma button and type in the height. 13 foot 4 inches. And then hit enter. And now it drew a rectangle exactly the same size as the one we did with the linear command, or the line command, excuse me, as you see in this demonstration. And you can continue with the offset command and complete the drawing. The second video will show you how to get it ready for printing. Alright, see you in a few.